Hello learners, so today we're going to start a new project in 123D Design. So what I did was I went to my desktop, I opened up Autodesk 123D Design, and this screen pops up. I want you to click on the blue button that says Start a New Project. This is your workspace. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to go to the bottom right hand corner and Edit Grid. We have to double check our units. Today we're going to be working in millimeters, but when you build your car it's going to be in inches. We'll talk about that at a later date. Just make sure that your units are in inches, and then hit OK. The first thing we're going to do to start our phone case is we're going to go up to the very top in our toolbar. You're going to hover over the very first icon. It should say Primitives. Go down to the first shape, which is a box. Click on the box. Hover it over the grid. Do not click to place it on the grid. The reason for that is at the very bottom you'll see that there is length, width, and height data. We're going to plug in our information so we can sort out the dimensions first. Your length is going to be 100, and then hit Tab. Your width is going to be 50. Hit Tab again, and your height is going to be 10. Now you may place it on the grid. Most phone cases have rounded edges. We're going to go up to the very top again, but we're going to go over to Modify. Modify has several different options. We're going to use the Fillet tool to round the edges. I want you to click all 4 of the edges on the very top of your phone case. Once you've selected all of them, our fillet radius is going to be 1. Actually, it's going to be 3. I lied. Double check your answers. So, fillet radius is going to be 3. Hit Enter. It now has rounded the edges of your phone case. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to have to look at the bottom in order to shell our phone case, so our phone can fit in it. If you go to the upper right hand corner, there is a box. This is going to be what you're going to use in order to pivot and look at various different angles of your shape. So we want to go to the bottom, because I want to look at the bottom. Okay. Pan over. Now that you can see the bottom, I want you to go up again to your tools. We're going to go to Modify, and we're going to go all the way over to Shell. Click on that button. I want you to click on the very bottom of your phone case. Do not highlight the entire phone case, just the bottom half. That's the only thing we want to hollow out. Click on that, and I want you to make sure that the thickness is going to be 1. Hit Enter. Now you have shelled out your phone case. We will be using that for the car, because remember, I only want the shell of your car to fit on the base. Go back up to the upper right hand corner and hit the Home button, and that'll take you back to the home screen. Next we have to make a cutout in order to see our, in order for us to see our phone in our phone case. So we're going to go up to our toolbox again, hover over Sketch. We are going to sketch a rectangle. Click on it, and it says click to select sketch. I want you to click the very top of your paper, or not your paper, but your grid on the very top of your phone case. Go to the upper left hand corner, you're going to pull down. Now, it really doesn't matter right now how big it is because we're going to put in our dimensions. So you should have at the very top 35 by, and you can tab over, 80 is your length. And then you can hit Enter, except it keeps moving for me. Once you hit Enter, there it is on your screen. It's okay if it doesn't fit perfectly on there. We'll move it at a later date. The next thing I want to do, and the real reason why I did this, is I really want to be able to pull it through and cut through my phone case. So you can hit Escape so it doesn't select anymore. Then I want you to hover over that shape again, select it. We're going to go up to the very top, and we're going to go to Construct. And we're going to go to Extrude, which is the first one in there. There's a little box with the arrow pointing up. Click on that. And now that you've selected what you want to cut out, there's a little arrow. I want you to take that arrow, hold it, and pull it down. You can see that it turns red. It's going to cut all the way through. Once you're satisfied, it's going to cut all the way through your phone case. Hit Enter. And now you have a phone case. The purpose of this video is to help you learn some basic tools about 123D design. You are now ready to start building your car. And if you have any questions, let me know.